Meridians, welcome back to my channel. In case you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Pamela. In today's video, I'm going to be trying a hack I've seen other beauty creators do. Okay, and the best part of this trick or this hack is that I'm doing it in a humid weather. I live in Nigeria, do you get? So it's currently raining season for us here. Okay, so this trick is supposed to help like absorb the oil and moistures on your skin so that your foundation can have something to grip on. Okay, and it's supposed to also make your foundation application flawless, as they said. So what's this hack? The hack is applying a translucent powder, not setting powder, a translucent powder before your foundation, right? So I know it sounds weird right now. Okay, you might be wondering, I haven't tried it before. Maybe you that is watching me haven't tried it, so we are going to be trying it together, okay? And if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, okay? And if you like the video, maybe if you watch to the end and you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps the channel. So for the translucent powder I'll be using this one from Attraction Talcum Powder, okay? If you ask me, I will say any translucent powder you have is okay, as long as it's not setting powder. Okay, I'll be using my beauty sponge for the application on my face. So where are we going to be applying this thing? Mostly on our T-zone areas where we tend to sweat a lot, then our chin, okay? So let's start. So now that I'm done applying the translucent powder on my face on the T-zone areas, okay, I'm going to allow it now to soak up all the oils from the moisturizers and primers I applied earlier on my face before the powder, okay? So for foundation, I'll be using this L'Oreal, okay, in the shade 35. This is C8 Nut Brown. I'm just going to apply it on my face. This is just my actual shade. I don't need to mix foundation. So I'm going to start applying. Oh, wow. Okay. It's actually flawless. Let's keep going. So let's apply quickly. So I'm done applying. This is the up close and personal kind of. So this is the outcome. It's actually flawless and matte kind of. Okay, I'm going to go ahead now to apply my contour. So for my contour, I'm using this Ava foundation in the shade 35. Okay, just a little, one pump is enough because it's dark, white dark. So one pump. I'm going to use my brush to pick it, then apply. Generously. And on my forehead. So next up is my blush. I'm going to be placing, then blend out properly. If you are done applying your cream blush on your face and you notice that, oh, this is too much, there is no need for you to panic, okay? No need of you to clean what you've done on your face and continue and start from the beginning. No, I'm going to teach you like a simple trick on how to do that. Now I'm done applying my cream blush on my face. I want to tone down like a bit the blush on my face. I'm going to go ahead now to apply my concealer. This is Elegant Concealer in the shade Fawn, okay? Now you apply your concealer where you normally apply it, okay? When you are done doing that, the next thing to do is use your beauty blender to blend everything properly. Blending is key when it comes to makeup. The trick is hold your beauty blender. When you are blending, okay, you dab, you are not dragging. You dab towards the direction of the cream blush, okay? And make sure like the concealer diffuse into the cream blush, it will help it to moderate it, okay, to help to balance it for you. Okay, can you see what's happening? So that is how to achieve that. If you don't know anything about makeup, you want to learn how to do your makeup by yourself and all of that, you can go ahead to click the link in my bio. You can get your ebook, your makeup beginner guide is very detailed. Or if you want, you can book a one-on-one section for your makeup classes, okay? It is very, very affordable and it's open worldwide, accessible worldwide. Can you see how flawless our base is? Everything blended into the skin. Even the blush that was excess has toned down, has balanced. Can you see? So I'm done applying the cream product on my face. I'm going to go off camera because this is not a makeup tutorial. I'm going to go off camera to finish up the makeup and then come and show you guys like the final look to know if we are getting any shiny or oily or anything on our face. Okay. At this point, I'm almost done with my makeup and up close, let me show you guys. I can't see any shine at the moment. Everything is smooth. Can you see? So I want to apply my lipstick. So first of all, I'll just outline my lips using a brown pencil. One may ask, who is this hack actually for? Okay, I'm going to tell you, it's not just for oily skin. It works well for both oily / combination skin. Do you get? Again, anyone that is in humid or hot weather, regardless of your skin type, as long as sweat affects all skin type, you can actually do this makeup, but all you need to do is make sure that you focus the powder application when you want to do that on the places that you tend to sweat a lot, which are most like your T-zone areas and then your chin. That's just it. Okay, will I be recommending this hack or technique? Yes, but for dry skin, honestly, you need proper care. That's the truth, because powder on a dry skin without proper hydration first is going to look cakey, honestly. So I highly recommend this for oily / combination skin or anyone in humid weather. It's going to be a great fit. But for dry skin, if you really want to do this technique or hack, please just focus on the areas when you're applying the powder, on the places you tend to crease, okay? And not your entire face. So it's currently 3:44, which is like more to 4. I'm going to give this makeup like 2 hours again. I'll come back to come and show you guys whether is this still matte as it is right now, or is there like oily or shines coming out from my face. Okay, so that we can agree and see whether the hack is actually working or not. So this is currently 5:44. So this makeup has stayed like 2 hours on my face. No shines at all, no traces of or white cast on my face. Let me give you guys like up close so you see. Everything is still intact, very flawless. It's actually matte. So I highly recommend this hack, honestly. So if you find this video very helpful, please kindly share my videos to your loved ones. Give it a thumbs up. It actually helps the channel very, very well. And make sure you subscribe, drop your lovely comments. I love to read them. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.